Can you just hear me well? Hello? Yes? Where is your brother? Where is your brother, baby?
He is.
Is he going to attend the class tonight?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So
Why
while
not?
we are waiting, I will be asking you some questions, okay? So how are you today, baby? How are you today?
Hình
Hello?
này có phải máy bay đúng đúng không?
Hello,
Nó đầu
baby.
đây chỉ thích cái này thôi đúng không? Yes.
Hello, how are you today?
I am
Uh,
happy.
happy. Show me your smile. Smile.
Có phải
Okay,
đây
so
không? Đặt
what
vào chỗ này.
what did you do today?
Đặt vào chỗ này.
What's that?
Dương. Để rồi để rửa đấy chứ. Rửa à? Đúng rồi. Để làm cái xếp của anh. Em cứ làm bếp. Bếp một xíu.
What did you do
Yes,
today,
sir.
baby Kai?
So,
Uh-huh. What did
work.
you do today? Okay, can you see my whiteboard right now?
Work.
Work. What did you work today?
Cái thuốc của ba má. Của mình.
Uh-huh. Can you
Nói
draw me the
đi.
chicken banana while we're waiting for your brother?
Yes.
Okay.
Just wait a little bit.
All right, we will wait for your brother. What is he doing right now? What's
With
that? The
some
chicken banana?
noodles. Yes.
H5. Why are there are what's that? Apples, stones? What is that? Oh, someone is in the boat. You can also color them, baby, if you like, okay? Okay. All right, what else? Uh-huh. And then, what's that? What's the big? Okay. So what are you going to write in there?
I'm going to write. Wait for me. I'm going to write silly chicken banana.
Can you write it a little bit bigger so the teacher can see it clearly? Eh?
I cannot write it bigger.
Oh, you cannot write it bigger. Can you just write it like this? Like that. Can you do it? All right, so let's start with our class already, okay? While we are waiting for your brother. Is that okay?
That's okay.
All right, so teacher will be sharing the screen and let's start with our lesson. I will stop sharing this one, the share screen, okay? All right, here you go. Can you see my screen right now? Okay, can you see my screen right now, baby? Hello, can you see my screen right now? Hi, baby. I cannot see you. Where are you? Hello, baby Kai. I cannot see and I cannot hear you well. Where are you?
Yes.
All right, I can see you now. So can you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay, at first we have in units 11 and 12, you will watch a video about things people need. Also, okay, wait. Also, you are going to learn about how wants and needs are different. You are also going to read about former and about what we need. We are also going to write about what you need and make a need and want survey. So first, big question 6. So baby Kai, what do we need? Can you give me at least 3 things that you need?
Need a television.
Okay, aside from that, what else do we need in our daily lives? Okay, aside from that, baby, what else do we need in our daily lives?
Này là nó bị chữ ui thế này nó kiểu gì cũng giờ
Hello,
này.
baby Kai, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, what do we need in our daily lives?
Một lá thôi nha.
Okay, such as rice, water. So we have here the foods. So what else do we need, baby? What's that? Who's typing on the group chat?
I don't think.
Okay, all right. So what do we need, baby Kai?
What?
What do we need? Such as food. Do we need food, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, baby Rick is here. All right. Hello, baby Rick. Good evening.
Good morning, teacher.
Oh, it's evening, baby. How are you?
Um, that.
Okay, why are you late? What happened? Is everything okay?
Um, um, uh,
Is everything okay, baby?
yes.
Okay, so now we were talking about the unit 11 and 12. Watch a video about the things people need. We also have learn, read, write, and make. So we have here the first big question. So let's start with you, baby Rick. What do people need, baby Rick?
People need water,
Yes,
food,
indeed. Food, water, some shelters.
egg.
Uh, yes. Okay, so first let's watch a video. So let's watch this one. Okay, try to. Oh, your baby's here. All right. So, were you able to watch the video, baby Kai and baby Rick? Hello? Hello, baby. Hello? Hello, baby. I cannot hear you. Okay, can you hear me well? Hello, can you hear me?
Hỏi con trả nó đào học bàn cô thể.
Can you hear me? Okay, so okay, very good. I thought you cannot hear me because I keep on talking and no one responded. So first, look at the picture. What do you see, baby Kai and baby Rick on the picture?
See a bike.
All right, it's a bike. Do you have a bike as well? Do you also have a bike?
Yes.
Okay, how many bikes do you have, baby Kai and baby Rick?
Yes.
Okay,
I
how
have
many
one bike.
bikes? Oh, both of you have one bike?
Yes.
Oh, you have the same. So first, let's have baby Rick. What is the color of your bike?
Black, white, and red.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai? What is the color of your bike?
My color of my bike is red, white, and black.
Ah, okay. So when was, baby Rick, when was the last time? When was the last time you ride your bike?
I don't know.
Oh, it's been a long time.
Yes.
How about you, baby Kai? When was the last time you ride your bike?
I don't know.
You don't know as well? Oh, okay, that's okay. So, do you have any plans on riding your bike again?
Um, maybe,
Maybe. Why maybe?
maybe on weekends.
Oh, maybe on this weekend. Very good. So, first, why do you think, baby Kai, why do you think the boy needs the bike? Okay? Again. No, 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 no. Do you think he needs it? Why or why not, baby Kai?
Mm, mm, mm,
Okay, do you think he needs it? Why or why not, baby Kai?
no.
No, why do you think it's no?
Because it's not for children. Huh?
How about you, baby Rick? Do you think he needs that bike? Yes or no?
No. Because he
No?
no.
Why no, baby? It looks like he likes the bike, but it doesn't mean he needs it, right?
Yes. He
Okay,
can
very good.
he can
Because
live without bike.
yes, of course. Okay,
Because
okay, all right. Okay. Do you want to draw your own bike right here?
when yes.
Okay, I will be giving you ample of time, and I want you to draw right here your own bike, okay?
Oh, it's white.
Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, here. Baby Kai, I want you in this one, and Baby Rick, I need you to in the second page. Oh, no, don't do that, baby. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now.
Where is me?
Okay, we have here Kai. Then on another side, we have here Rick. Ready?
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Black. Where's the color? Oh.
Oh. Injection ba yan ni Kiana ugma? Unsa ganito injection ni Kiana ugma pa?
Huh?
Okay, oh, your wheels are so big.
Hmm.
Your wheels are so big, baby. Is that a bike, baby Rick?
Yes.
Oh, that's a different bike. It looks like a car.
It's not the car.
Oh, it looks like a car.
It's never a car.
But it looks like a car.
You will see. You will see.
Oh, by the way, baby Kai and baby Rick, is there any chance we can move our class on Tuesday and Thursday a little bit early?
Um, no.
Why?
Tomorrow?
No. Uh, just the
Wait.
same today, Tuesday. Can we have it on maybe 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. or 7:30 or 8 p.m.? Something like that?
No.
Why,
Because
baby?
I have
You're
music
busy?
lesson.
Okay, you were going to have a music lesson. Do you
I don't
play
know.
instruments?
Yes. And no.
Oh, no,
I
you
play
just
the
sing?
piano.
Piano. How about you, baby Kai? What do you play?
Don't learn today.
You do you play any instrument, baby Kai?
No.
Oh, only baby Rick?
I don't go to the music lesson.
You don't have the music lesson, only baby Rick.
Where is? Oh dear.
Your bicycle looks so cute. Your bicycle look like this? Oh my
Yes,
gosh. It looks like a car.
it's not the car. One wheel
All
is
right, later
different.
on I will be searching that one.
Um, Which pen did I use?
Okay, you can choose any other color.
Oh,
Are you going to color it?
yes.
Okay.
This wheel's different. Okay.
Okay.
It looks.
All done?
No, I'm not yet.
Are you still going to color it?
Yes. What's the right shape? Okay. Next.
Uh-huh.
Just wait a little bit.
That's okay.
Right. I'm a flashlight. And be there.
You know what? Your bicycle looks very, I don't know. It looks
Oh
like you
dear,
can drive like a car on it.
it's not a cow. Not a
It looks like a bus, a jeep, a car,
Or the
but
chip
with only
mechanic.
two, but with only two wheels. That's why we called it bicycle. But it looks like a car with two wheels. A car, bicycle car. I don't know how to say it.
Mhm. Bicycle car.
Yeah, it looks like a bicycle car.
Hmm. I was driving in it.
Uh-huh. What else? With color red, a lot of red, a lot of red. Oh, someone is driving already with Baby Rick.
Me.
Oh, you have a few minutes left. You can finish that one. Go, 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 go.
Faster?
Yes, because I cannot extend over time as I still have a class after this. So you need to finish that one, okay?
What class?
I still have another class after your class.
Oh. Where's the color red? Oh, it's almost finished. A pink car. A red car. With purple wheels and red wheels. And silly. And red. My breaker is whisper. I need a star. My back is a bit yucky. It looks funny. It's a bit old and dusty. Is it? Yes. It's funny. It's a bit old and dusty.
Yours are so cute.
But it's a bit old and dusty.
So yours is old. And
Yes.
then Baby Kai is new. You know what? Your bicycles are so cute. So all done with bicycle?
Just a little bit more.
Oh, okay, okay. You need to make it faster as I only have 2 minutes left.
Dear. Oh dear. It's a bit old and dusty. Yes, old and dusty.
Oh, you make it also dusty.
It's old and dusty.
Why is it dusty? You did not clean it?
No, I said this for 20
Ah, okay.
years.
All right, let's take a picture first. Let's smile.
Cheese.
Cheese. Show me your smile. I cannot see you. Show me your face. Baby Rick, I cannot see you. 1, 2, 3.
Dusty.
Smile. Okay, thank you. So I will stop this one. I will stop sharing, and I will be sending it to the group chat so that
A
you
bit
have
dusty.
friends. Bye bye for today, everyone. See you again tomorrow.
Teacher, goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, baby carrots.
Goodbye, teacher.